Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Earlier this week, we learned how to use College Board and how to use sort of their college search feature to look up different colleges based on what major you wanted, maybe the size of the school. Today, we're going to learn how to use the Google version of that. So, Google has a really cool feature that you can also look up colleges and universities and search for them with different filters. And I'm going to teach you sort of what that means and how that looks like. So here we go. All right, everybody. So I'm going to show you all how to use the college search feature on Google. So first, you just go to a regular Google page, google.com, and then you're going to type in schools for, and then whatever your major is. We're going to stick with our example of animal science. I'm going to put animal science. Oops, I forgot the E. Schools for animal science. Now, I'm going to scroll down until I see a box that looks just like this. It has a blue box at the top, and then it has a couple of universities listed right under. If you scroll down, you might have to scroll further down past a couple of these websites until you see it. But once you see this blue box here, that's what you're going to click. Click on the blue box itself, and it's going to take you to the college search feature on Google. And that looks like this. Okay, the top part over here, it has different filters. So this is different ways to search for the colleges, and then the actual college information is under here. What I want you to just focus on is like the college boards. I just want you to focus on the major, which you already used to type in and find this information. Schools for blank, animal science, engineering, fine arts, whatever it is, and then the location. Now, the location, it usually or it should give it to you already based on your location here in Austin, Texas, or if you live in Del Valley or in other places, it should give you that city there. Right here on the location, it's going to say nearby, and that'll give you all these schools that are nearby Austin or nearby Del Valley, wherever you live, um, with the major of animal science. On the left side, it kind of gives you a preview of the university, like average cost after financial aid. So Texas A&M, it costs about $20,000. Texas State costs about 16,000. Sam Houston State about 14,000. And it gives you other information. When you click on a one, let's look at Texas State. It's going to tell you, oh, it's a public school and it's a 4-year university in San Marcos, Texas. So right here already gives you a couple of facts about it. Overview, it just tells you like here's their phone number, here's their website, here's about how many students were enrolled in the 2017-2018 school year, rankings on the school. When you click admissions, it gives you information about like what SAT scores you should have. Costs, it tells you how much it costs for in-state, things about financial aid, programs. This is like the bachelor programs and how many students, the percentage of students that took those programs. You can expand on that a little bit. Outcomes, just kind of how students did. Students is like what kinds of students go to these schools. Now, the difference between this search feature and College Board is that College Board gives you a little bit more information in terms of like activities and sports, and this one is just a little bit more basic. It's a little bit easier because it literally gives you all of the colleges here on the side, and you can just click boom, boom between each one and compare them really, really quick. But it doesn't give you like what kind of programs it has aside from the majors. So what kind of activities, what kind of sports. But whenever you click one, you can always visit their website by clicking on their website. It should take you right to the college website, and then you can look up like student life, which is usually where you'll find information about activities and sports and other things under student life. And most universities have this feature of student life. So it tells you here's a campus map. It tells you things about their sports, ways to get involved, recreation centers, student organizations. So you can kind of just click around and see what kinds of things are in each university. And most universities have it looks a little bit different, obviously, but most of them is the same way. You click on um, student life, and then you kind of look at what kinds of programs and activities they have. So use the college search feature for Google, or for college on College Board to kind of look up information about universities.